Hello everyone, welcome to Bytes daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Nikhil. In today market highlights, the sharp rise in interest rates has pulled off the credit markets. As in domestic markets, we have seen the fundraising via debt placements fell by more than 35% to rupees 324 billion compared to last year amid the rise in interest rates. The corporate issuers are finding tough to raise money at lower levels due to the sharp rise in interest rates. In US, the high yield bond issuances fell by almost 75% to $83 billion this year, as the Fed has hiked interest rates very aggressively to contain inflation. In this month, we'll be having another Fed meeting and as well as the ECB policy meeting. And the Fed is expected to hike interest rates by another 50 basis points or 75 basis points if the job data comes good and as well as inflation touches new highs. The ECB is likely to hike interest rates for the first time in 11 years to contain inflation. In the previous week, Eurozone reported the new record high of inflation of 8.6% due to the sharp rise in energy prices. Before we go to the market highlights, I would request you to download the Quick Invest app by INR Bonds, which is available on both App Store and Play Store. By downloading the app, you can access our curated list of bonds which are well positioned for the scenario of high inflation and as well as interest rate hike cycle. Do download them now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.
Coming back to market highlights, today the 10-year Gsec is traded lower at 737 levels, and Sensex Nifty closed on a positive note, and USD INR trading on a flat note close to 79 levels. And the European bond yield rise amid the Financial Times reported that ECB might stop the banks of Europe to park the profits with the ECB. And coming to the global markets, another Chinese property developer, the Shimao, misses the interest payments on dollar bonds of worth rupees $1 billion. This is the fourth Chinese developer missing the interest payments on dollar bonds. And already the top three developers missed the interest payments in the last 6 to 7 months. And coming to the private placement space, we have Bajaj Housing Finance, reissuing the bond of May 2027 at 770 levels. The link to, if you wish to subscribe to the bond, the link is given below, or you can even call on our registered mobile number or mail to us if you wish to register. Thank you for listening, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get timely updates. Thank you.